Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to submit your contract. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the CGC Honors 2022-2023 Canvas site. From there, you can click on Modules. You're going to want to scroll to Honors Project Contract Fall 22. Okay, so who needs to submit a project contract? If you are enrolled in an honors option or a special request course, you will need to submit an honors project contract. If you are in an honors only course, and those courses are listed right here, then you do not need to submit a contract because the honors project is embedded within the course curriculum already. So if this applies to you, if you're an honors option or special request, keep in mind that your contract is due by September 16th at the end of the day. If you're in a late start class, then you need to have your contract due by October 28th. So you're going to want to fill this out with your instructor, and you can meet with them virtually or face-to-face, however you want, and click on the cgc.edu/honors program contract link. This is going to take you to a form. Okay, so hopefully it populates with your information. If not, put in your information there. Put in the honors course information and indicate what type of project you're doing. All projects need to have a research component, a writing component, and a presentation of some sort. So even if you're doing a creative project, like perhaps an art gallery or a web-based project like a Google Sites or an e-portfolio, you still need to have some sort of reflection on the research, even if it is a short paper. So you're going to want to describe your project, what you'll be doing, and you can always, it doesn't need to be entirely fleshed out, but just a brief description, just to let us know that you're thinking about it and that you're in communication with your instructor and you're both working on it. It's just the primary purpose of this. Okay, so you're also going to want to provide descriptions of your primary research and your secondary research. Primary research just refers to first-hand original research. So that could be original research that you do on your own, like perhaps distributing a survey to people or doing interviews, or it could be that you're evaluating original research, like a journal article that someone has published, or perhaps you're reading a transcript of a speech or looking at someone's original artwork. Secondary research is secondhand. So typically this would be someone else evaluating the original source, perhaps a book review or movie review would work. Also a meta-analysis, which is basically a study of studies, looking at what research has been done on a particular topic. That would fall underneath secondary as well. For a writing component, you can talk to your instructor if they want you to have a particular documentation style like APA or MLA, and also how long the writing component needs to be. The project presentation can be done face-to-face in front of the class, or it could be done as a video, maybe even a screencast like with what I'm doing right now. You can talk to your instructor on how they want you to present your work. Some have you post it in a discussion board, some have you post it and then require students to take a quiz for extra credit points. So you can talk to your instructor about the options there. And then you're just going to want to talk to your instructor on how your project will be graded, how many points it's worth, the percentage of your final grade. So just as a guideline, it should be approximately 10% to 20% of your final grade. And ideally, your instructor will provide you with a rubric and a breakdown of what they're going to be looking for when they assess your work. Down here, finally, you're going to want to put the date you met with your instructor, when you plan to meet again to discuss your progress, and when the final project is due. Once you and your instructor are happy with everything, you're going to sign it. It's going to be sent to your instructor to sign, and then finally it comes to me to approve. If there's any revisions I'd like you to do, I will let you know and send it back to you so you can make those revisions. And then you're just going to click the Submit Form at the bottom of the page. You do not need to submit anything in Canvas. We will put in your grade, which is just going to be a complete, incomplete in the gradebook once we have reviewed your contract. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email us at honors@cgc.edu. Thanks for watching.